Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's Albanian hospitality, man. So I guess they are nice. So, city of 1,000 windows. Look at this picture. It's beautiful. Yeah. So, walking up right now. Oh, it's a river below. River. You guys can see I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why, but I woke up refreshed and in a good mood. I'm actually starving. I have not eaten since yesterday's lunch. So I had a very big lunch. And I was I need to save some money. So I'm not gonna really eat dinner unless I was hungry, and I was not hungry. So this restaurant is right at the bottom of the center city when you come off of the bridge before you go up to the castle. And that's a nice little family-run restaurant with really good prices.
Oh, thank you. I was going to say, like, I like. You get ketchup, please.
This is what the boys got. I met these boys on a bus.
Right.
And I jumped in their taxi. Just saw them again.
I was going to say, I ordered the eggplant as well, so why didn't you just have that?
No,
I have yours.
No, it's fine. I'll take that one.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
No, it's all right.
Producent.
Huh?
Producent.
Yeah. He's famous. Like, celebrity. Thanks.
So horrible food.
But it,
So first course is a Greek salad. Eggplant dish, stuffed eggplants with meat. Guys, so I'm in Berat, and right now we're at a local winery, but it's dark, so I'm gonna do my best to try to get the content I need to get. The sun goes down early here, so you have to just bear with me. I know I'm dark skinned. And we have the crew right here from the hostel. Yours are dry. It's great. It's great. The grape was sweet.
So our vineyards are not like this. They are like the normal way, like in a row. But this one we made this because in summer we use this like as a part of the restaurant. So we use this part for shadow mostly. So as you see, we have tables and chairs under it, like to make it a part of the restaurant. I can show you where we make the raki. Oh, it's my raki as well. Yes. So everyone in Albania produces raki. Everyone.
Yo, so these grapes are like, they're buzzing. They're very small, but they have seeds in them. What's up? Photo, okay.
Oh, Dario!
like 15 days of fermentating, and the 15th day we take it out, so everything goes down to the basement, and with the pump we bring it up here and inside here. So we open it here and put inside like fermented grape, but this one can hold like 500 liters of fermented grape, and after that we put the white and the red. So the white one is like around 2 or 3 degrees, and the red one is like 6 or 7 degrees, so they're over. Yeah. And after like the one is made, like if we want a fresh one, we filter it with that machine there and fill the bottle straight. So after filtering, we fill the bottle. But if you want to waste one, we filter it and put it in a different bottle. It is for 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, so it depends on how they want to do it. And after we fill the bottle, we put the cork, and then we
Alright guys, so this is Rocky straight from the fucking, oh I can't curse. This is Rocky straight from the tap. Look at this. No, I'm not gonna drink it. But it is Rocky, it is very strong. I don't know how strong it is, I'm assuming it's like 100%, but welcome to Albania. This is the crew, say what's up, say what's up.
Time to get pissed.
Really? Oh my god.
Hello.
Hello?
Okay. C'est pas problème. We need the oui.
Ooh. You got more than me. The Italian swish, you see him?
Your Italian is showing.
Is it better than the Italian one?
I haven't tasted it yet. I'll wait till everyone gets their
I was
wine.
gonna say. Yeah, fig. Thank you.
Chick fire. Chick.
What does that mean, chick fil
It's just a little bit.
She gave you the
It's like
same
the
one.
same.
Why did you just want a little bit?
He's a pussy.
Exactly. That's
Last time you were here, you were pissed.
The walnut, right?
Thank you.
Alright, we say Guzuar in Albania.
Guess what? Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
How do you say it?
Guzuar.
Gurza.
Yes.
Gurza.
Guzwa.
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 Guzuar.
Guzwa.
Yeah.
Guzwa.
Guzwa. Guzwa.
Guzuar.
good one.
Guzwa.
Oh, okay. Careful here.
Oh, the eyes.
One of these guys.
I hate this. I hate it. I'm done.
We can skip that.
It's creepy.
It's pretty nice. Really interesting taste, actually, this one.
You have to try it. Cheese.
And
And
fig.
fig.
It's so good.
Yeah, together.
It's a weird combination, but it's so good.
It's not a weird combination.
I think it's weird.
Figs and cheese is like a classic
All right,
combination.
Mr.
Yeah,
Italy.
in salad. Yeah, it's
Really?
like that.
I've never had it before.
I can't eat
And
cheese,
if
so
you add
Mix it up.
one, then you.
I guess it's good.
these walnuts are nice.
All right, there, show off.
Oh.
He just wants to show off.
I love how farmers never waste anything. Try to fig, nothing ever goes to waste.
Yeah.
We use it for something.
All right, we didn't get one of those last time.
Yeah.
What's this?
Kaki.
I don't really know what to do with this.
Thank you. Kaki. You don't know it yet? They thought of that here. I mean, the state.
The Japanese
Back
fruit?
there.
The orange fruit?
It grows here. No, I
You
don't
want
think so.
a nut?
It grows here.
It's like orange, right?
No.
on the tree.
Thank you for the
It's
nut.
not tree, but it's not looking like an orange. This is with the skin already of the.
You were telling me I have a dirty mind. Him.
I think it's
She's got
some
such a dirty
Japanese food.
mind.
Oh god.
Really?
Yeah, it's from Japan.
Everything I said last night, she just started laughing and making innuendos.
So easy. I don't remember what you said now.
Yeah.
Very easy. I can't even open this cookie.
This is a boozy wine tour. I like it.
Oh, just wait.
Hello.
It's really good actually.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a bit
yeah.
tough.
Especially once you eat some
Oj,
cheese.
till
then
där
you
jag
have
till
another
det
side.
sitter.
It feels quite proper, doesn't it? Excuse my hands because I'm dirty.
Det sitter.
Oh my god, I keep slipping.
What's that 48 for?
And that's fun. I just got two tattoos because we were like, haha, it's funny. That's really it.
Stupid as fuck.
It's so dumb. The whole spread. Post up on the gram. It looks like I have a little
Cheers.
bonjour.
How was it?
It's actually very nice, especially with the feta cheese. Goes very well.
Does everyone agree?
Perfect. Regular comedy.
Stay tall. And tall.
You guys are too much. How do you... How to... Alright, nope, I'm not even gonna talk.
No?
Pretty nice white.
Anything I say is gonna sound terrible.
It's a good white.
Don't say it.
Not bad.
Speak.
It's really good. It's actually better than the Montenegrin wines I tasted.
Oh, Montenegro wine was. They were not that
No,
good.
they're actually supposed to be good.
I know, but they weren't that good. I was on a throwback.
Yeah, it was not very
No, there's
classy
nothing
of
you
me,
can try
but-
to do.
Here, you tug it. You just have to wait for ages until the next guy.
Hello.
Hello,
You have to visit this winery.
I'm Petrit.
The owner. What's the name of the winery? Albetta.
Alpeta. Alfred Petrit Tak. Alpeta.
That makes sense.
You heard him. So you have to come visit when you visit Berat in Albania. It's a very good winery, very good wine, very nice family, and a really good time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, I wasn't even recording. Shit.
Rookie.
How many people can say they have the owner pouring them up? There we go.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, fuck. Sorry.
Come on. Canada.
This is traveling is about like family-oriented, small gatherings with people you just met that may become family.
Scalded off the guy. That's great.
Year 2020.
Është rushi I zgjedhur me lodë dhe 14, e pa trajtuar në fuqi druri, po thjesht e stazionuar në enin inoksi.
Okay.
Very?
Ka shijen e frutit tamam të me lodë dhe
Has a fruity taste. It's not aged in a barrel or how do you say kept there, like a wood barrel, but
Yeah.
inox.
Oak.
Oak.
No,
No.
No, yeah, no.
No oak there.
no.
It's 65% Merlot and 35 Cabernet. It's a fruity taste.
Këshillohet të konsumohet në tavolina me mishra të plot, siç janë mish qingji, mish viçi, mishra të plot.
It goes well when it's meat around. Just drunk.
Nuk do të kish më shumë se 3 shishe per person.
You cannot drink more than. It's not recommended to drink more than 3 or 4 bottles per person.
3 bottles? Okay. Let me try.